Solve the rational equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the denominator. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the denominator and then solve for x. With this equation, you need to multiply both sides of the equation by this expression, x minus 1. So we get x minus 1 on this side, and then x minus 1 on this side. On the left side of the equation, these terms divide out, and you are left with 2. And on this side of the equation, you have 3x minus 3. Using the reflexive property of equations, I can rewrite the equation so that the x term is on the left side of the equation. So we get 3x minus 3 equals 2. We add 3 to both sides of the equation to get 3x equals 5. We divide both sides of the equation by 3 to get x equals 5/3. You can test this value of x with the original equation to see that it is a solution.